he says 4 words, you're gonna know he's an expert. In weight training for people in general. In this case, he would like to talk to us about weight training and running. In our newsletter every week, he has a column. We're going to get a new photo tonight of you, sir.
Certainly.
Time to
It's
use
the
the
same
mask.
photo every week.
Good thing you did your hair.
Yes.
But there is there's nobody I've met that is more on the ball, down to business, wanting people to get better than Mr. Wolf. Everybody else pretends they care. They pretend they're trying. This guy, it's like clockwork. I get here on Wednesday morning and his stuff's ready to go. So he's a serious guy, and this is a serious topic because it's one thing that I don't think we do enough of as runners. And if we want to be better in 2023, right? That's the whole reason for this. And that's why he's here. Thanks for coming.
Glenn, thank you as always. Always a pleasure to be here. Let's start with the question, how do you do what you used to do? And in this case, let's say you've been a runner your whole life. Let's say you've had a illustrious career of high school, college, and running, and you've been running for long years. How do you keep doing that when you can no longer do what you used to do? Let's think about that again. How do you do what you used to do when you can no longer do it? This is the question that millions of runners face every year as they battle dyspnea. What is dyspnea? Age-related strength loss. I'm 59. When I was growing up, we didn't know anything about dyspnea. But today we know that we lose strength 3 times faster than we lose muscle, basically due to a deconditioning of the neuromuscular system, otherwise known as a loss of motor recruitment deficiency. Your nervous system is just less efficient at telling your muscles to contract and generate force. And so it is impossible to become a faster runner and to maximize speed while you're becoming weaker. And so tonight is about what I call the 1% rule. How do you invest less than 1% of your week and become a faster, stronger runner? So we're gonna break this down. My intention tonight is that you leave here with some to-dos, some really simple to-dos you could say,